Okay, let's look at example 4 that has two sets of parentheses, and in this case we have a 1/2 in front of the first and a 1/3 in front of the second parentheses. So don't let a fraction make you too nervous. Just don't think 5 steps ahead. Just think first step, I just need to multiply 1/2 times 18 and 1/2 times -5. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. 1/2 of 18 is 9, minus a half times -5 is -5/2. So -5/2 x equals, and don't worry about that 5/2 right now. So now I'm going to distribute the 1/3. Same thing, don't think about what you're going to need to do next, just do this step. So 1/3 times 6 is 2. 1/3 times -4 is -4/3 x. Okay, the next thing I want to do is combine my variable terms, and I want to move the -5/2 over because that'll give me a positive x, because -5/2 is larger than -4/3. This is -1 1/3, this is -2 1/2. Okay, so I'm going to add 5/2 x to both sides of the equal sign. And remember, that means these will cancel. And I'm going to get 9 equals 2. And then go ahead and do this on your calculator, -4/3 plus 5/2, and you should get a positive 7/6. You could also get a common denominator of 6 and add those and you'll get 7/6. Okay, next step, we want to move that term that does not have a variable attached to it, that's next to the variable term. That's a positive 2, so I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides of my equal sign. And when I do that, 9 minus 2 is 7 equals 7/6 x. And then the last step, to get x by itself, I'm going to divide both sides by 7/6. Okay, these will cancel, and I get x equals 7 divided by 7/6 is 7 times 6 over 7, which you can do on your calculator, or the 7's cancel, and you just get x equals 6.